Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to withdraw from Kucoin to Easypaisa. Only way. Start by converting your crypto to a stablecoin like USD on Kucoin. Then use an approved P2P or local exchanger to swap USD for Pakistani rupees. And finally transfer the funds into your Easypaisa account through the exchanger or bank transfer, checking fees and limits at each step to avoid delays and holds. Before you begin, ensure both Kucoin and Easypaisa are fully verified and that you know your Easypaisa mobile number and name exactly as registered. Fund your Kucoin account and convert volatile coins into USD to stabilize value. Research reputable local exchangers or P2P traders with solid ratings and good volume for PKR trades, and confirm their payment methods include Easypaisa to avoid extra conversion steps or unexpected delays. Start by selling or trading your crypto for USD on Kucoin and confirm the available withdrawal options. Next, initiate a P2P or exchanger trade specifying Easypaisa payout and enter your exact mobile number and name. Send the USD to the buyer or exchanger wallet as instructed, wait for confirmation, and then receive PKR into Easypaisa. Always keep chat records and screenshots until funds reflect to handle disputes quickly if needed.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.